Welcome to the Rio Grande City Historic Walking Tour. The Reynaga-Headley-Edgerton Home, built in 1894, is a structure with ornamental brick hood molds over doors and windows. Double wood-paneled entry doors lie directly under the shaped parapet and second-story cast-iron balcony. Cast-iron rajas, or rails, fill in the transoms above the doors and windows. One has the initials LR for the original owner, Leopoldo Reynaga. Mr. Reynaga married Emilia de la Peña, sister of Silverio de la Peña. Because of the brickwork and detail, the house is attributed to Henrik Porticeller, a German brick mason who worked in Rio Grande City, Roma, and Laredo in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The house is closely associated with Dr. Alexander Manfred Headley and his daughter, Dr. Mary Headley-Edgerton. Dr. Headley bought the building in 1899 and used it as his home and office. Born in England in 1836, he came to the United States and served in the Confederate Army as a surgeon. After the war, he married María del Pilar Treviño in Camargo, Mexico in 1884 and settled in Rio Grande City. His daughter, Mary, would become Stark County's own women pioneer doctor. At the age of 23, Dr. Mary Headley-Edgerton received her medical license in 1910 and was the first Rio Grande Valley-born physician. She graduated from the Women's Medical College in Philadelphia. She practiced medicine in Rio Grande City and the surrounding communities, and is noted for capping a smallpox epidemic. She was a driving force in installing sewage facilities and opposing the conversion of Fort Ringgold into a tuberculosis sanitarium. She married George William Edgerton in 1912, and they had 5 children: Star, Hope, George, Charles, and Joe. The house remains in the Edgerton family.